So, currently actually not in a trade at the moment. I did take. Let me just load this up. I think it was yesterday on Popcat. Um, we actually printed this green dot here, and the band was going straight on a swing. This orange line is a swing. So once we got this wick in and a close above, I actually took a nice little long here, especially as we got this divergence. I think it was like around here, 945-ish. De-risked it 2.5% and 3-ish percent. So that was a decent trade for me. It was like 8% out. That's about it. I haven't actually been that active in the market because I've been quite busy over the weekend. Do some real estate stuff. I was literally first in the monthly leaderboard like all month with Popcat, and then I think it was literally here. Oh, it was like here or something. We just started dumping like 2 days before, and then I came third by like 1%. So tough. Um, but Popcat as of now, I think these are daily swings, by the way. Well, that's a four. Let's just get rid of that. Popcat as of now looks crazy. So um, I'm not sure if we break the high on this go. We might get like another wick in into the band and then like another go down. But I probably do see it breaking quite soon, unless Bitcoin does some crazy shit and Israel start bombing the whole world. So I'd probably look for a long around the weekly open or this swing, which is the high daily swing. Well, the all-time high daily swing, basically. Uh, yeah, that's Popcat at the moment. Let's just have a look on the lower time frame. Seems like we're breaking a high. Yeah, there could be a little scalp in here, guys. If this candle closes with a W.
Congrats on the third place, Jack.
What?
What? Congrats on the third place on the leaderboard.
Ah, you. Where did you come? Did you steal my
Second.
first?
No, I came second.
Ah, damn. Yeah. Also, if everyone doesn't know, we're playing poker every Saturday. Last weekend was really fun. But we want to get a few more people in so we can not have stock pokers guys in there because pokers guys are one really good and two I think they were colluding last week. Um,
Yeah,
so if we can get
clearly true.
like just a couple more people from the squad, we can just have it MDX, and yeah, it'll be pretty fun. I'll link that as well. The event. Where is it? MDX Poker Night. 10 people interested. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay.
Yeah, 11 because I haven't clicked yet.
Okay. Nice. Yeah. Let's have a look at Ponky. Um, would have been lovely short in here with this hidden and a failure. Bow. As of now, might see a reaction off this low just because. Where's my ray? Where's my ray? Where's my ray? If this does sort of uptick with that W that you see is trying, then the band will start going like this. and you might see that before down. Possible. Let's have a look. Whiff is going crazy recently. There's a lot of supply here though. Check it on the daily. Probably can hit to 282 ish before doing anything. I actually might set an alert. And yeah, that's kind of the extent of me. I did actually make a little altcoin portfolio video on my YouTube. I made a YouTube and it's already got, hold up, 360 subs. I literally made it like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. So we'll link that, and then
So you have a big family then, huh?
nah, I haven't even told anyone about it. I literally, I made a
It's linked.
short. I made a short, and then I ran a promotion on it, and it was Popcat. It's when I caught a 40% raw move on Popcat in the
Oh
group,
yeah.
and it's got like 1.5k views now in like a few days. It kind of just went crazy. But I did like a £10 promotion package on YouTube, and now I just got like 200 subs from it. It's crazy.
So those are helping, huh?
Yeah, they actually are. The promotions at the start are really good, but it has to be like, I feel like it has to be like a short video which is kind of catchy. Because people are like, oh, MDX Algo 40% raw popcat move. Yeah, let me follow this guy. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but it's tricky to use those as promotional for our ref link, right?
Well, it's in the description, the ref link.
Hmm.
What do you mean it's tricky to use for referral?
Yeah, those like short clips and you promote them on YouTube
Yeah,
because how can they click that link? Or can you embed
it's
it
in
into the
the
video?
description. So if you're on a shorts video, if you go to the comments, the link will just be there.
Yeah. I also seen a lot of people that click like they cut it into the video, so you have down in the corner, click here for this and this and this, you know.
That's actually a good idea.
But I'm not sure if that works on the shorts.
Yeah, I'm not sure either, because you'd have to put it as a picture in the video, but then you can't click the
Yeah.
link, so I'm not sure
No,
either.
but they are clickable pictures in that video. So you just
Oh,
they use
okay.
like next video up in one corner and some promotion in the other corner.
Mhm.
But it's I guess it's technical because I only seen like the big YouTubers use it. So and I'm
Yeah.
guessing they have big teams. They have big teams behind them, you know. So
Yeah, probably.
but it's something to look at.
Mhm.
By the way, did Farad send out your little clip yet?
No, I don't think so.
No, I think he want approval from the big boss first before he used it, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. Max replied, and he just said, "The moves, bro. The moves." He's probably fucked
Yeah,
in Bali or something.
yeah, yeah. Didn't you see his last post? What do you think about this or something like that?
I think you don't drink.
You're sober. Sober living is good.
Sober. Anyway, so yeah, I haven't got much to run down. Ego, if you have anything you're looking at, feel free and we'll have a look.
No,
Anyone else in the chat?
I just woke up,
Yeah,
so
I
I
low-key
have
woke up like 40 minutes ago. Had a bit of a
yeah.
crazy one. So anyone in the chat, feel free to turn your mics on. Say hello. Anything on your mind? Any charts that you're looking at as well, and we'll have a look.
Hey, it's me, how again?
Hello again.
Yeah, so I've got a few coins which I'm looking at for a little bit longer run. I potentially like 3 months,
Okay.
right? So one of those it's stacks. So I've got stacks super. Tau actually ran out from me. I was late for it. So I started looking at potentially Brett, but let's maybe focus on stacks if you don't mind.
Mm-hmm.
So I got myself like a small target of just buying the coins initially on 1x, $500 each,
Mm-hmm.
right? And I started laddering into stacks. I only managed to get $100 when it was at 160, and it started running away. So now I'm kind of looking at the chart, and I see it started making the lower highs, lower lows on like 1 hour, 4 hour time frames.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm kind of, I don't know, from the charting, it looks like it's starting going slowly down again. But it would be good to have a little bit more experienced view. My target, it's still one, and hope it's that it'll still get back to 160 to fill in some of the fair value gap.
Mm-hmm. 160. So, are you looking for yearly open? I guess 160.
I was more kind of looking at that fair value gap which left over there. It's not said it will come back to fully fill it, but kind of 50% of it.
Well, it's interesting because if we do come back to fill that, we'll be confirming a downtrend. Because if
Mm-hmm.
we break this low here, we'll be in a quite harsh downtrend. Where as of right now, we're actually this looks like it's bottomed to me. Um, 1, 2, 3, retesting this low. Um, and yeah, if we hold Q4, I don't see why it can't go further up. Yeah, we do have some bearish divergence on the daily. But to me, it actually looks quite good. I've got to say, especially for holding this right here. If you were looking for lower, I mean, I would be looking for it to hold a higher low here, just because we're in an uptrend.
Mm-hmm.
Low, higher low, higher low, higher low at the moment. High, high, high. So I wouldn't really be betting on against it at the moment. Um, let's see if we can get actually a lower high here at the weekly open, because then this could signal a
Okay.
trend change, especially if we come back down. This is what you're gonna want to see. So we probably, I don't want to say probably, but if we do make a lower high here, what you want to do is you want to watch this low, and if we get a close under this low, then this is your signal to go here on this
Right. So
1.7.
that's
And
potential next target.
and then if this 1.7 does hold this low, I'll be looking to probably load up here, and then you might get a wick into here, something like this, and then a regain. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking on stacks, and it will probably move with Bitcoin.
Well, yeah, it's layer two of the Bitcoin, right? So it should follow Bitcoin.
Let's have a look
Yeah,
at
but a
Okay.
little bit
the.
strange they didn't take that fair value gap earlier.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. They haven't taken it yet, but I
Now
don't.
it
I don't think
it's
it
almost
has to
too
come
late.
back for it.
No, it doesn't.
Is that a wick into the band? Not quite. If that wicked into the band, I would say it has a higher probability of holding here, actually. But we'll see. It it does look it does look like it can go for another test of Q3. Just one more down here.
So the rough 175 area.
So yeah, 1.68 to 173 ish.
Okay.
And then see if you break this low. If you hold this low, it's probably gonna go higher. That's what I'm thinking on this. We've also got Trader Chris was in here, but if you're thinking of holding anything for longer than 4 or 5 months, put your altcoins in the altcoin chat, and he'll do some fundamental analysis on the coin in his session, which is later today. It's in about 2 hours, I think.
Yeah, I saw his post, and I saw a few people already posted few coins, which I mean, I've got my spot back, kind of say done and dusted, reworked a
Yeah.
few times. But this idea is to, I had some, say, spare cash sitting in the
Lucky
sorts of
you.
saving account, and I was like, why not to throw this in here for like next 3 months and see what. Yeah, idea is if I'll manage to double it, which I believe shouldn't be that big of a problem over the next 3 months,
Bull run in.
and then keep the 50% running, maybe, and then take the initial money out.
Yeah, well, I also did just do an altcoin video, just of my altcoin port, because I also reworked mine a bit in the last month, and now mine's kind of just it's finished. It's pretty much similar to what I've always been banging on about, but yeah, I did just make a little
Yeah.
video. What was the other one?
What's your view on the super? Because
Super
this
farm.
one looks like it's yeah, this one looks like it's constantly going up and up and up, like
So
having that blue pill.
is this Elio Trades coin, and is it NFTs?
I mean, I know it's something to do with mostly gaming, right?
I think I
And
heard
it
about
seems
this
to
last
be
cycle. Super.
Superverse.
I'm just Google searching it quickly.
Yeah.
Superverse or
Well,
Superverse?
it's some people say Superverse, some people say Super
It
Farm,
it's the
but
same.
it's the
It's
same
just the
Yeah,
same
thing.
thing. Okay, cool.
you're right. It's Elio's coin.
And
It is
the
Elio's
reason
coin.
they're pumping is because they have a massive game coming. It's said to be the best one so far.
So with this one, I managed to get about 60% of capital for this coin in, and my average entry is 83 cents. But I still have some to deploy, and while I'm kind of hoping for a little bit of a pullback, it doesn't look like it's happening.
Yeah, I'd be waiting on
I mean,
this.
I've got the train line going up, really, not breaking the trend line down or anything. And it looks like it's trying to retest the recent top.
And it's got some bearish divergence on the daily. I would definitely wait if you're looking to pick up more of this. In terms of actual play for me, I think for me the market cap's quite high. But if you know anything about the game that's coming out and you like it, then yeah, it seems interesting. Well, do you know anything about the game, Egil? I do like games.
Yeah, it's a massive one. It's said to be on the level of COD.
What? Okay.
I honestly I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't really follow that much.
there are like 260 top
Mm.
developers working on the game.
Super is being integrated across
So
Web3
that
gaming
one
technology.
will, and it's said to launch in Q4. So if that one launch and they have a good launch, Super will skyrocket.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they released a game on the September 12th, and literally a couple of days before, like after they posted info about it, this thing shoot off like, I don't know, 10-15% pretty much right away. 15% in a matter of 4 hours. So
It looks interesting, man. I'm definitely. If you have some already, it definitely looks like decent little investment. In terms of buying here, I would definitely not. But yeah, it looks interesting. In terms
Maybe
of the tradable
wait for
side,
potential reversal to
yeah, exactly. You kind of just want to wait for these
382
highs to play
area,
out.
or so
Integrations. This enables project. So reverse down. Staking pool. It's pretty cool. This is like what Ultra is meant to be.
yeah, I mean, I see it left some fair value gaps, but kind of area between 70, 74 and 78 cents. But I don't know why I don't really see this coming back over there.
No, if
unless
that
we are having really a very, very big pullback on the market.
yeah, if that does come back there, it won't be the greatest. I'm definitely looking for a pullback here, but I do think it could just do like a June retest, somewhere around this swing. You also have something like this. Let me take my thing off. Probably just something like that. Where these wicks are, and then let me get my brush out. So maybe
Yeah,
like a pop,
I see.
and then a failure, and then I don't know, a retest and a regain, and then go something like that probably. Oh, I just took it off. But yeah, no, it looks interesting. Definitely keep that on hand.
Looks strong. Looks strong.
Look at
I
the
mean,
link I
I was
posted,
gutted when Tao ran away.
Jack. Look at the link I posted.
Is
That's
this
the
a game?
Yeah.
Brummy, yes, I will. I will. Don't worry. I will get onto those. Teardrop Island. Ah, I love gaming. I've always been a little bit of a gamer instead of a go out and party sort of guy. This shit is lagging my laptop out, bro. What the fuck?
Just check the gameplay
Off the
video.
Grid is built on AVAX, though.
Yo,
Isn't it?
this shit
Yeah,
looks sick,
yeah.
guys.
Yep.
If you want to watch like actual gameplay of it too, Dr. Disrespect has some decent like live video play through of it on his YouTube.
That does look sick. Bro, this is lagging my laptop out. What the fuck?
Yeah, because so far I've actually
You
made
need to take
30% on
some.
that. But I was thinking, like, yeah, potentially better to keep it going and leave it for the next 2-3 months still, rather than taking the profit and then sweating and thinking, oh, is it ever going to come back to those 70, 80 cents areas?
Sorry, my laptop's lagging. That shit lagged my laptop out. What did you say?
No, I was saying that they I've managed to get like 30% up already from my average entry. But I was thinking, like, yeah, everyone is talking a potential pullback, and I was thinking, should I take some of it out and then add on a pullback? But I don't think it will ever come back that low again. Slim chances.
Yeah, it kind of depends on what your idea for is the trade. If you're happy with parts of your profits, this is definitely a good area to take some. Just like you can just see that we're at some sort of resistance area with these two swings. If you're just looking to hold it, just leave it till maybe like here or here. And if you
Yeah.
do have a bit of spare capital and it does come back to June, just add a little bit.
Yeah,
But
it
not
might be a better idea just to leave it as is.
yeah, definitely. If you're happy with if you've got a little bit of extra cash on the side to buy when it does come back down here. If you don't, then definitely take a bit of profit so you can re-go if it does pull back. But yeah, it looks good, and also people are saying it's built on AVAX, so very interesting stuff. Very interesting. Get a PC.
Do you guys have anything else in your mind which could be a good good potential for like next 2 to 3 months? Any of the memes which didn't run away yet?
I think
Because I started looking at Brett, but it started escaping from me too.
What did you say, Zeus?
Brett.
Yeah, I think Brett is too high, I think.
Yeah.
Brett's very high.
To
I
get
think
like
I got it
real
here.
gains.
He's
I
kind of
guess
curving up
Brett would
though.
be good in the 80s, 8 cents, 8.5 cents maybe.
He's coming back, you know. This looks like a bull flag to me. So I do think that does look quite good for a potential. Although we are cooked on the oscillator, but that doesn't really mean that much. This is a crazy bullish chart to me, to be honest. The market cap is quite high though. This just looks like it's gonna pump.
It is the main meme on base, so
Yeah, it will definitely do well.
especially if US regulation ease up a little bit after the election, then this can really take off.
I don't know why I have that
As
line.
it's coin-based stuff, you know, so
Yeah,
that's the main place for the Americans. So
I think if this does get to 8, 9, like you said, even if it does go to 8, 7, I think this would be quite a good buy. Bless
Yeah.
me. That's a bullish
Bless
chart.
you.
What's the market cap of Brett nowadays, boys? Let's have a look. Any guesses?
I've not actually looked at market
Oh my god.
cap for it.
1 bill, pretty much. 960 mil.
Just 1 billion. Yeah.
Yeah, that's high.
So I guess it's a sort of a
1.6.
medium risk when it comes to the whole memes.
It's actually quite low risk for a meme coin. Let's have a look at AVAX quickly.
You know, memes wise, yeah.
Actually, let's have a look at Render.
Cool. Thanks for that.
No worries, brother. Render. Crypto cap. What the fuck are these charts? Render is something that I fumbled at like $1 and I never got the entry that I wanted to, so I just never bought any. I know everyone knows those ones where you like just miss your entry and then it just goes and then you never get whatever you want.
Like how for me?
Yeah.
Tell me about Tao.
No, I was stupid and risk regulated my position. The next day it pumped like crazy.
You know what I've done? I had a couple of $100, so literally 40% of that 500, which I've put in a Tao at 280, but I set a stop loss too tight, it hit the stop loss, and then it started running.
Yeah.
And now it's
Oh,
double.
well, Mitch, you don't feel bad because Smallio told every single one of us like a dozen times in a live stream to take a long on Tau when it was at like 180, and I don't think anybody did except Smallio.
Yeah, that is actually rough.
Bro, he like a month ago or whatever, whenever he was like, yeah, guys, I told everybody to take this long at 180. Tau's now at 490. And I'm like, wait, what?
He was like, oh, who took it? And then just no one said anything. That was a great trade, though. Jesus Christ, literally
Well,
the
and
bottom.
it's funny because I remember like all like the whole week that he was shouting, "Yo, Tau's at its low, Tau's at its low. Look at Tau, Tau's at its low," and I just ignored it.
So, that's crazy. Sorry, I was doing render, wasn't I?
You got sidetracked, huh?
Got sidetracked. Bram, are you in render? Is anyone in render?
Margin trades on it.
I think I wanted to buy something like $1 or $2 somewhere down here, and then it must have been down here $2 range. Then it just did this, and I never got it. I'm in render. Nice, boys. Nice.
If it makes you feel better, I bought render at $10
Ooh,
for my spot back.
yeah, that's rough. It will come.
So it's there.
It will come back though.
Yeah.
Again, this is quite a bullish chart. It probably might take a little bit longer than other coins to do its thing because it hasn't gained Q3 yet. Coins that have gained Q3 are gonna do crazy things. Really, what we want to see on this is this broken. Then it's go time, or just this whole block here. As of right now, looks fine. If you do get a pullback to August, definitely relong it.
It's gonna be hard to get through that block though.
Yeah, or just 6.3.
That's a strong one.
To me, it kind of just looks like it's gonna do this and then squeeze up, and then maybe get some momentum and then go. But yeah, it looks good. I like it. I like the coin as well. I've always liked it. I've just never got in. Let's look at AVAX quickly. Coinbase maybe. Damn bloody AVAX. Again, this looks quite similar to render. Yeah, everything
I
looks
got to
pretty
take
good.
a trip, so I'll be very nice. Have fun.
See ya.
I have to take a trip to my father. He's calling me, so see you.
Have a good one, brother. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Yeah, I don't know. This still looks bullish. Like, do you really see anything wrong with this chart? Apart from the fact that it's cooked on the oscillator, but things are always cooked on the oscillator. If this does break February, May, it's gonna go nice. Bullish chart though. Ever since here, low, making higher lows. Even here, higher lows. Although it looks like it's kind of crabbing out a little bit. if this just went a tiny bit deeper on a wick, it would have been a crazy long. Yeah, if you're trying to trade this, watch out for this area. Although, this looks nice. For the tradable side, need a hill on there for me. In terms of actual like chart, it looks pretty decent. I mean, if you break this, it's just confirmed that we're in a nice upside trend. I'm not sure what you're looking at in terms of AVAX. You're probably just already in spot and you're just like chilling with it. So yeah, might take a little bit longer than other coins, like even injectives doing the same thing. But things like, what's breaking levels already? Something like PopCat. Look at this chart, mate. This chart is insane. That's a crazy chart. Alright, let's check the chat. Yeah, check my YouTube and my video, by the way, guys. And that's what altcoins I'm looking at here. No, I can't. I don't want a PC. I've got a PlayStation, Zeus, and I do love it. But yeah, maybe soon, to be honest, if I start like streaming on YouTube and stuff. There are some Tau meme coins. Oh yeah? I didn't know Tau was doing it like that. Tainu Zapi Tau Sui. You know what? Not a bad shout, Jeff. Actually a great shout. Do you trade it with Tau? So you just exchange some Tau for some memes? That is a good shout, to be honest. I actually don't own any Tau. I just own a bunch of FET. Oh, that's a horrible chart. Where's the actual FET chart? Yeah, I just own a bunch of FET because I was buying it like, what, somewhere here? Yeah, like somewhere here. Yeah, that's a good shout. I don't know, I think Tau's getting so much buzz, so it's bound to do really well. Although all FET needs is a little just new buzzword, something to do with ASCII. I feel like they're having a little bit of a struggle with their integration, but as soon as that's done, I think the worst of it's finished. But as soon as that's done, I think it's gonna lead the market again. Because FET was actually leading the market at the start of this year. I remember that it was just going nuts, or it was one of the ones leading the market. One of the odds. Yeah, for sure. It'll be at the end. It's like I have Ninja, dog with nunchucks, on injective chain, and I'm not expecting that to do anything until like the very end of the bull market, where like there'll be like 2, 3, 4 weeks where it would hopefully do like 20, 30x, and then I'll just sell that shit. I delegate my Tau and get rewards. APY is around 20%. It's decent, isn't it? It's more than injective. I think injective's like 15. How's Mudeng doing? Mudeng is doing Mudeng things. Yeah, this was quite a nice long. Yo, this shit moves. What? Let's look for a setup. Should we degen trade Mudeng? You know what? It's already done. This wick. If it fails here now, whew. Let's just go to ALGO master. That was a nice long down there. What time is it? 6:30. Just not gonna wake up. I'm not Zeus. I'm not a Zeus. Oh, cool. I've not seen that.
Come on, brother. You can get up just a bit earlier.
But I stay up later. Because all the American lot are awake and having fun. Yeah, Mudeng is just Mudenging. But yeah, if anyone, like I said again, we need a couple more numbers from the MDX crew for poker on Saturdays. We had a fun one last Saturday. Me, Egil, Wazzle, Zeus, Viking, and there's a couple others from Stock Poker's website. But we wanna bin them off because one, they're really good, and two, I think they were colluding. It's a free buy and $100 pot free, and then you can rebuy for $5. So yeah, next Saturday, and then we can change the password and just have us lot in. Hopefully. I'm not in Tucker. I went in on Saturday night, but I don't play poker much. No worries, brother. You guys talking about the shitties, the shitties. Yeah, me and shitties. I'm just in Trump coins. Like I bought some back in like June, and I just haven't. I barely touched them. I mean, I sold a bit when he nearly got fucking killed, but that's about it. That's my extent of the shit coins, and obviously some Ninja and Injective. But like, if I did have coins, like, sorry,
sorry, man.
oh, I thought you were gonna say.
No, I was going to say I've got some of those shitties like Baked, Gummy, and Tucker because I was buying some of them when they were doing the airdrops and stuff like that. So, I mean, I'm actually down on Tucker from when it was like 5 cents or something. It's recording really well, cannot say. But it wasn't an intention to buy and keep. It was just when I was starting the journey with airdrops. Yeah, it might still do well. Some of these shitcoins.
I hope so. I hope all your shitcoins pump 1000x, guys. I'm gonna bless you for the end of the run. April 2025, 100x, and then everything just goes to shit in May. So yeah, wow. I really just did the thing. This could prove an interesting trade here. 5-9, maybe? Broke the low. Let's see if there's a Stuber. Oh shit. Not really. Oh, kind of, if you pull it from there. Potential short. Anyway, anything else? If not, I'll just watch this hourly close and then Yeah, I've also got Hillary Clontin. Hillary Clontin. Larry Funk. Donald Pump. It's too funny. Barack Obama. Yeah, got the whole squad, man. The others were just feeling left out, brother. So... yeah, I actually haven't even looked at fucking Bitcoin, bro. What the fuck? Interesting. I imagine there's going to be a lot of shorts if we get up here, but, you know, it's quite logical. You know, it's still up. What can I say? It's still up. Nothing, we literally haven't broken anything. I do want lower prices though, low key. Can we get like a 60.7 retest maybe? It's gonna happen, surely, at some point. Anyway, let's actually have a look at ETH quickly. And then we can bounce out. Looks squeezy. Does look squeezy. I reckon on the balance of probabilities that breaks up. Let's have a look at token quickly. If you guys haven't bought any token yet, still not a bad time to get some. And yeah, let's just have a look. Dog. Check the chat. What are you boys saying? Oh, it's just you spamming Moodeng. So you got Moodeng, you got Pesto. Have you seen Pesto the penguin? I love penguins, bro. They're so funny. The way they just waddle and they're a bird and they can't even fly, but they're just chill. Like, if I could have one pet, it would be a penguin, I think. Like, imagine you're just like chilling in your house, your penguin's just like in his mini fridge, just baking off. Like, be hilarious. Yeah, I don't think there's much more to say at the moment. We've got Chris in, I think, an hour and a half. Yeah, 1 hour and a half. And then obviously we got the big old Daddy Viking. 2 hours and a half. Clock's gone back already? Or did they go forward? I think they go forward. I always get that wrong.
See, when you mentioned token,
Yeah.
obviously it looks like it has a lot of room upside, but it is not recovering that well compared to like other
No, it's not.
coins.
I mean, yeah, from a charting perspective, it actually doesn't look as nice as, for example, what was the first one you told me about? Stacks. And even the second one, to be honest, because we actually haven't really gained any level. But this has really good fundamentals, and um, this actually did like a crazy move, nine x just then, and I just this is one of my favorite coins for this cycle. I think it's going to do very 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 well. So obviously have a look at the project. It's on the Floki chain. It's about
Yeah.
like you can make like NFTs like so easily, no coding. You can also make coins and tokenize stuff, and the interface just reminds me of Xbox 360 days. I think it's going to do very well. But yeah, you're right. From a charting perspective, it's still got a lot of things to do, but it's not like I'm not looking for a trade in 1 month for it to go here. I'm looking for it to go like that. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, might be one to consider maybe for the bag I was talking about for the next 3 months.
for sure, for sure.
Yeah, a bag for Christmas.
Christmas bag, and then you sell it
Yeah,
and buy some presents.
exactly.
Clocks. We haven't got the seasonal depression yet, so it should be. Not yet, brother. Yeah, Crypto Viking 230, Chris Aronoff. It's already super grey in London though, man. It's depressing me already. Although I actually like don't really mind October to December, but I hate January, February with a passion. Like passion. Hey, Zoo's got them legs, boy. Yeah, it's so miserable, man. I actually honestly don't care about October, November, December because obviously you got like Halloween, and then November's just like Guy Fawkes night, and it's like you can just get vibey, and then it's Christmas, which is like cool. Like I'm not the biggest Christmas lover, but I get in the mood. I can get in the mood. But then January is like the worst possible month ever because I feel like you're just hungover from your bank account and your body from December. And it's so boring as well, bro. Like, what the fuck? What does everyone do in January? Not drink. I don't really drink anyway.
That's why it's a good idea to book some holidays for January and go away
Yeah,
and get some sun.
yeah, that is a good shout to be honest. Tenerife or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Wales is a bit damp.
We used to go for Christmas time, but then you realize Christmas is more expensive, and there's always something to do for Christmas with family and kids.
Yeah.
And like, why don't we just book stuff for January when everything is half price? And yeah, you've got that miserable month of waiting for some nicer weather.
January is actually a good time to go snowboarding, to be honest.
Cool. Anyway, thanks very much for the call today.
No worries, brother. You're welcome to take part every week. Questions are welcome. Anything else, guys, or we got an hourly close in 30 seconds, and then yeah. I mean, Bitcoin looks like it wants to go test weekly open, or at least August. It actually already has tested August, so I think it doesn't look that bad. Not much for me at the moment. This could prove an interesting short. That's one thing I will leave you with. This could prove a very interesting short. So I got an alert set around the weekly open. Got some family in Wales. I like Wales. Nice place. Yeah, man. My dad, bloody gypsy he is. Born in New Zealand though. Born in the NZ, but his parents are Welsh. Worked in the RAF. Don't really know them that well, but I've always liked Wales when I went there. But oh, by the way, anyone seen that the Austrian far right party is winning the election? Let's go, man. I'm getting an Austrian passport as well. So I can escape the UK. Escape free gear kids clutches. Free gear care. What's the next one? They called him what? Queer care or something? Because did you see the video of him punching the punching bag? And everyone was like, he's definitely gay, bro. There's two ways that you can tell if a guy is straight or not. By the way he throws a ball and the way he punches a punching bag. Not that there's a problem, by the way. Just saying. Yeah, smart. Lucky I'm allowed to get an Austrian passport. Yeah, anything else, guys? And then we'll end it. Where in Wales? Oh, shit, my dad's gonna kill me if I don't know this. It's been so long since I've been there. I got one of them hats with the like them jester hats. Let me take a picture of it. Yeah, I actually can't even remember. I think it's near Cardiff somewhere though, but like not Cardiff. I always call my dad a sheepshagger because he's Welsh and he was born in New Zealand. And in New Zealand, there's like 4 sheep for every person. Yeah, nice place. They're always so low key as well. No problems with the Welsh. They always just chill. Yeah, that adds some extra taste to them, innit? A bit of taste. Anyway. Anything else, ladies and gentlemen? Hold up. Why is my shit lagging so much? Right. Sui is getting into a pre-cooked short area. So, oh my god, what's going on? Actually, I'm going to stop my recording. That's probably why it's been going for an hour.